rash. We got some curb rash here, a little scuffing here, there, and there. Nothing on this side, and still nothing deep enough to pull out the grinder, so I'm going to sand all this out. Try it with the 320. Might drop it down to 180 if it's not coming out. But we'll start with the 320. Alright, looks like 320 grit took care of everything. So now we'll scuff and paint again. We're now covering everything we painted with clear coat. And that one's complete. If you're getting anything out of these videos, please like and subscribe, and I'll keep making them. Thank you.